can't find your folders like applications, desktop, or downloads in Finder, it can be confusing when things disappear. In today's video, I'll show you how to bring them back and organize your Finder properly. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. These folders are usually located under your favorite section here on the left column on your Mac. The first and simplest way to check if the folder has been compressed. To show all the folders, simply mouse over your favorites folder and click on the arrow icon to drop down and show all the folders. If the folders are not showing, for example, my downloads and documents folders, click on the Finder at the top bar of your Mac, then click on Preferences. Click on Sidebar. Here you have the list of items that you have checked to show in the sidebar. Here you can see my downloads and documents are missing, so when I click on the checkbox beside them, they will appear on the sidebar on my Mac. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.